Kelly here with Mindful Bodyworks. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be using essential oils to do the Great Day protocol. So these essential oils are great for emotional well-being and just to help lift us as well as ground us at the same time. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We'll be using 4 oils. We're going to be using Harmony, Joy, Valor, and White Angelica. All right, so get your oils out if you're using them, or maybe you can just mark this video and watch it later. So our first oil, Harmony, we're going to just do 1 drop in our non-dominant hand. We're gonna do 3 circles with our right hand clockwise. And then we're just gonna put that oil right above the navel. Take a nice deep breath in. It smells so good. I feel better already. And then next we're going to be using Joy. So Joy, same thing. You're gonna do 1 drop in your non-dominant hand. 2 came out, so I must need some joy today. 3 circles clockwise. And then you're gonna put this over your heart. This shirt really doesn't wanna let me do that, but then you want to rub your hands together. Inhale joy. Envision being loved. All right, next is our Valor. So Valor is great for confidence and courage. We're just going to drip this right on our wrist. And rub your wrists together, almost like you're doing a perfume. Take in a breath, feeling confident, courageous. And last but not least, White Angelica. So 1 drop, non-dominant hand. This oil's a little thicker, so it's just not wanting to come out. Patience is a virtue though, right? 3 circles. And then with this one, we're gonna bring it up to our shoulders, and then we're gonna come all the way down the hands. Take a nice deep breath in. This is great for helping with negative energy and just giving you or helping you create some positive emotions. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that Great Day protocol, and I hope you have a great day. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can look down in the description below, and I'll have the oils listed and where to put them so that you can save this video and use it later. Take care, and I will see you next time.